they are taking it one game at a time. On the other side of the court, Allen Ricardo is determined to give their opponents a hard time at pipilitin daw nila mag-compete. Moreover, he expects his guard to step up and remain composed throughout this match. So, will the Benil Blazers remain atop the standings or will the fearless Letran Knights?
Kahit may contact.
Oo,
kahit may contact.
Yun ang kagandahan kay Raymond. Yung mga perimeter na yan, around the free throw line, mati kay Raymond dyan. Eto.
Yan ang kailangan para sa Letran. Deo Cuajo, he has to catch fire from the outside. Montecillo. Cuajo for three.
Ayun!
Deo Cuajo back-to-back triples.
Ito medyo nabubuhay na itong si Deo Cuajo dito sa ball game natin. Inot naman sa kabila. Short.
Ito na. Momentum for Letran.
Sinasabihan siya doon ni Cometa na settle down, relax lang.
Estrada. Cuajo.
Oh!
Deo Cuajo is on fire. 17 points.
Wow! Pensa ni Santos dito kay Liwag. Ito yung una ni nakakala niya na foul siya. Actually, yun din ang akala natin. And ito yung pangalawa.
Let's see if Inot will adjust his defense.
Ito yung pangatlo.
9 points in the fourth quarter for Deo Cuajo.